What's going on, guys? So we went out and did some suspension testing yesterday and made sure that the the new stator worked and everything else. Clean bill of health. We are ready to go racing. So now I get to go through and do all the prep work on this whole thing. Yeah, got everything cleaned up and stuff like that today since we were just out yesterday testing. Came up with a new suspension setup that is way better. I honestly do not know how we missed it. I don't know how we didn't get to this way sooner, to be honest with you. But yeah, the car is way more predictable, and it works better for my driving style, that's for sure. So already got a new helmet pumper filter on there and stuff. I'm going to take the clutches out today so I can get those all freshened up tomorrow. Also, we're going to get the steering rack pulled out of it and stuff so I can go through that, pull off all four corners as per usual, go through, make sure everything there is good. And then otherwise, going to just do, the standard good old-fashioned nut and bolt check and stuff like that. Just to make sure everything's nice and tight and stuff. We'll also mark all the fasteners again just to make sure, it's all good to go. But otherwise, I think, dare I say, it's ready to rip. So really looking forward to this next race. Last year Kyle Cheney was there, so really curious to compare lap times to see how far off we are from in my opinion probably the best UTV driver there is out there. To me, he is kind of my idol, so it'd be really interesting to see how we stack up to everything. I have a feeling we're going to be a country mile off, but it'll be interesting to see. So, all right, I'm going to get back to work and stuff. I'm going to get the clutches pulled off and everything else and get everything ready to start, going through it. But just want to give you guys an update and let you know that, yeah, she's ready to rip. So, time to let the fun work begin.